We begin tonight with a political crisis in Kenya after the country's Supreme Court nullified the presidential election results 6 weeks ago. The East African nation has been in a downward spiral, leading to a rerun that has further inflamed political tension before Thursday's vote. VOA's Joel Craig reports from Nairobi.
It has been a prolonged electoral season in Kenya, with the opposition now saying it will not participate in this month's rerun polls after the nullification of the August presidential election.
We cannot go to an election with an electoral commission where the chairman is hostage to some few commissioners. That's why today we are changing our clarion call from no reforms, no elections, to there are no elections in October.
But President Uhuru Kenyatta is urging people to come out and vote. He says Kenya cannot live in what he called a permanent state of elections.
Our economy needs to move on, and we must rid this nation of that uncertainty. And it is indeed my appeal to every Kenyan: exercise your democratic right on the 26th of October.
But Nairobi-based political analyst Michael Agwanda argues the Electoral Commission, known as the IEBC, is unable to conduct free and fair elections.
IEBC, that is supposed to be an arbiter in this 26th presidential election, is more divided and is no longer independent as their name goes. And for that reason, we do not expect free and fair election on the 26th of October 2017.
Agwanda is not the only Kenyan expressing concerns. Last week, IEBC Commissioner Roselyn Akombe fled the country and announced her resignation, saying the election as planned would not be credible, that some election workers were vulnerable to security concerns, and that the country is not ready to proceed with the polls as scheduled. IEBC Chairman Wafula Chebukati has demanded politicians start working together or else his departure could be next. Embattled CEO Ezra Chiloba is now taking 3 weeks of leave, marking his absence from the election. Busia County opposition supporter Mofat Rotich says he would accept a Kenyatta win if the election is credible.
Because Uhuru is not a Ugandan or a Tanzanian, he's a Kenyan. If he wins, he will be our president. But the only problem we have is free and fair elections. And there is no, if you can see right now, they are talking of peace, and there cannot be peace without justice.
But each person's definition of justice is different, raising the concern the polls may not be peaceful. For now, Kenyans are just hoping for an amicable solution as they wait for the next developments in this ongoing political saga. Jill Craig, VOA News, Nairobi.